Big news coming in from the legal fraternity. The Supreme Court Collegium has referred the names of 5 judges for the Chief Justice of different courts across the country. So the Supreme Court Collegium has recommended 5 judges for elevation as the Chief Justice of Gujarat, Allahabad, Calcutta, Chhattisgarh and Manipur, and these names have been referred now to the centre. So that's the big news coming in, and I want to quickly bring in India Today's legal correspondent Anisha Mathur for the latest on that. Anisha, so can we bring out the names right now of those 5 senior judges, because Chief Justice of those respective state courts is going to be definitely a big development?
Yes, 5 high courts will get new Chief Justices now, because remember, the Supreme Court Collegium recently recommended names for elevation to the Supreme Court, which was also which is also the persons who've taken over, who've taken oath on just this week as Supreme Court judges. They are the ones who were occupying these positions of Chief Justices of
various high courts.
And Justice Preethinkar Divakar of the as Chief Justice of the Allahabad High Court, Justice T.S. Ranganam as Calcutta High Court, Ramesh Sinha for Chhattisgarh High Court, Sonia G. Gokani, who's the sole woman judge for the Gujarat High Court, and Dheeraj Singh Thakur, Justice Dheeraj Singh Thakur for the Manipur High Court. And this is going to be a big development once, as soon as the centre clears these names, because remember, the Collegium resolution has also noted that Justice Arvind Kumar of the Gujarat High Court has to be elevated to the Supreme Court as well, because a lot of these names have been on the waiting list. Some of these names are also set to retire. Justice Sonia, for example, is set to retire in February itself. So it is now for the centre to ensure that these names are cleared as soon as possible, so that the work
procedure here, can the centre reject or approve names? Is there that authority there that's coming in, as you're telling us? And in the backdrop of this big controversy over Victoria Gowri, is there a protocol like that, or is this just more of a procedure that the Collegium sends it to the centre and then centre signs on that?
Well, Pooja, technically the procedure is that the Collegium sends it to the centre and the centre should sign off. But so far we've seen in multiple situations, even in the elevation of judges as the Chief Justices of various high courts, the centre has on several occasions sat on those files or raised objections on certain names. Just yesterday we also received the news that the centre has sent back some files for reconsideration of the Supreme Court's Collegium. Even in the Parliament, the Law Minister has said that some names have been sent back for reconsideration, even despite the reiteration. So we are currently seeing this back and forth between centre and Collegium. But with these names especially, the court has in its resolution also noted that some of them are due to retire very soon, or some of them are waiting on other names to get cleared for them to be eligible for the top chair, and therefore it is now for the centre to ensure that it is cleared as soon as possible. But of course, as every single time we reiterate, these decisions of the Collegium are supposed to be final under the MOP, but the government does have the right to raise objections if any.
So 5 big names there of different high courts across the states, and Anisha Mathur will be getting us all the latest on that. 5 names for elevation, the names being sent to the centre. Anisha, thank you very much for now.